good morning. My name is Priyanka from Kanha Kingdom Smart Education. So students, today we are going to do the exercises of the chapter that you have studied. Okay, the chapters that we have explained to you, we are going to do the exercises of the book. The question answers, the fill in the blanks, the match the following. All these exercises we will do today. Okay, so this is for subject science and this is for class 2nd, and the exercise that we are going to do, it is of chapter 1, the first chapter of science, that is types of plants. Okay, this is for class 2nd and the name of our chapter is types of plant, chapter 1 of science. Okay, so let us begin with the exercise. Before that, we will do a quick revision of the chapter. What did we study? Okay, before going to the exercises, we will do the revision of the chapter. Okay, so students, let us revise about the part of a plant, okay, that we studied in the previous class. The parts of a plant, then green plants which makes their own food, how can green plants make their own food, and types of plants, what are the different types of plants. We will just do a quick revision on these topics. Okay, and students, please take out your notebook and please note down all the questions and all the exercises in your notebook. Okay, so let's begin with parts of a plant. Okay, so students, can you see the different parts of a plant? What are the different parts of a plant? They are flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Okay, these are the different parts of a plant: flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Okay, and these part of the plants are divided into two parts, that is shoot system and root system. Okay, then which part of the plant is in shoot system? Which part of the plant consists in the shoot system? In shoot system, there is flower, leaf, fruit and stem, the upper portion of the plant. Okay, the portion of the plant that is above the soil. Okay, the portion of the plant that is above the soil, that is called as shoot system. Okay, and root system means the part of the plant which is below the soil. Okay, the part of the plant that is below the soil, that is called as root system. And what does root system consist? It consists of the roots. It consists of roots of the plant body. Okay, and in shoot system there is flower, leaf, fruit and stem. Understood? So these are the different parts of a plant. Okay, and what are the functions of the different parts of the plant? What are the functions of the different part of the plant? What does flower do? Okay, let's begin with root. Okay, what does root do? What does the root do in a plant? Root absorbs water and minerals from the soil for the plants. Okay, the essential nutrients that is in the soil. The root absorbs all the essential nutrients from the soil like water and minerals for the plant to grow. Understood? The function of the root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil that is essential for a plant to grow. Understood? Then stem. What does stem do? What is the function of a stem in a plant body? Stem supports the plant. What does stem do? Stem supports the plant to stand tall, to stand still tall. Okay, it supports the plant to grow, to stand. Okay, function of the root? Sorry, what is the function of the fruit? Fruit protects the seed. Fruit protects the seed of a plant. Okay? Then what is the function of leaf? Leaf performs photosynthesis. That means, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the plants which makes their own food with the help of sunlight, air and water. That process is called as photosynthesis. That means leaves prepare food for the plant body. Okay, this leaf prepare food for the plant body. That means it performs photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process by which a leaf prepare food for the plant body. Okay. Then what does a flower do? What is the function of a flower? Flower helps in reproduction. What does a flower do? Flowers help in reproduction. That means it can reproduce a new plant. Okay, it reproduces a new plant. Understood? Fruits or plants of a plant body. Okay. So these are the different function of the different parts of the plant. And this plant is divided into two parts, that is shoot system and root system. In root system there is only root, and in shoot system there consists of flower, leaf, fruit and stem. Understood? Then students, what are the different types of plants? They are big plants and small plants. Okay, there are two types of plants. Those are big plants and small plants. Big plants are the big trees that we see around. Like for example, peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, neem tree. These are big plants that we see around. Okay, these are the big plants. Okay, peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Okay. Then students, what are the small plants? Like coriander, spinach, mint, okay, sunflower, rose plant, mint plant, spinach plant, then coriander, then sunflower plant. These are what? These are small plants. Okay, these are small plants. Understood? Now students, plants are classified into different types, different categories. Okay, there are different categories of plants. Okay, the different categories of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. What are the different classification of plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Now what are trees? Trees are the tall and big plants. Okay, what are trees? Trees are the tall and big plants. Okay. Now trees are those plants which have strong and woody stems. Okay, which are called as trunk. Trees are big and strong plants which have woody stems called as trunks. Those are called as trees. Trees are very big plants, and the stem of the trees are very strong and very woody. Okay, and those woody and strong stems are called as trunks. Trunks, trunks of a tree. Okay. Now, what are shrubs? Shrubs are plants which have woody stems. Shrubs are small plants actually that has woody stems. Okay. Shrubs are small plants which have woody stems. Okay. For example, rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant. Understood? These are the plants, small plants which have woody stems. Okay. Then comes herbs. Herbs are also small plants which have very soft and delicate stems. Which have very soft and delicate stems. Delicate means the stem of these herbs plant are very soft. It can be broken very easily. Okay, and herbs are small plants. For example, like coriander plant, mint plant. Yes or no? These are some. Then lotus plant. These are some herbs. Understood? Then all the water plants are also called as herbs because the stems of these plants are very soft and delicate. Okay? Then comes the creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. What are creepers? Creepers are also small plants which have very weak stems. Which have very weak stems. Okay? And they grow along the ground. These creepers grow on the ground. They don't climb up like trees, shrubs and herbs because the stems of these creepers are very weak. Okay, so they grow on the ground only. They don't climb up. Okay, and the examples of some creepers are like strawberry plant, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant. These are what? These are called as creepers. Okay. Now comes the climbers. Climbers are plants which have very weak stems. The stems of the climbers are very weak. They need support to grow. Okay. They need some support to grow. And those plants which need support to grow and those who have weak stems are called as climbers. Okay. For example, grapevine, money plant. Grapevine means the grapes plant. The fruit grapes that you eat, it is also a climber. Okay. The stems of this grapes plant is very weak and they need a support to climb up and grow. Okay. Money plant, then this grapevine are some examples of climbers. Understood? So these are the classification of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Understood? Now let us move towards the exercise. The question and answers of this chapter. Okay? So students, our first question is objective type question. That is objective type question. That means you can choose the answers. There are two answers which you can choose and write. Our first question is fill in the blanks with correct words. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Okay. Then our first question is trees have strong and woody stems called. What is the answer? Trees that have strong and woody stems are called what? Trunks. It is called, the answer is trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. It is trunks. Okay. Then number 2. Plants that grow along the ground are called. Just now I told you plants that grow on the ground are called what? They are called creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Okay. Then dash is the part of the plant that has seed. Which part of the plant has seed? Which part? The options are there, root or fruit. Which one? It is fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Okay. Then the dash fixes the plant to the ground? What fixes, what holds the plant inside the ground? What holds the plant inside the ground? What the option is given? Root or flower? What is the answer? It is root. R-O-O-T, root. The root fixes the plant to the ground. Okay. Then green plants make their own. The options are food or water. What does green plants make? Green plants make their own food. F-O-O-D. Food. Okay. So these are the answers. I will repeat again. Trees have strong and woody stems called trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. Then plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Dash is the part of the plant that has seeds. That is fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. Okay. Then the dash fixes the plant to the ground. That is the root. R-O-O-T. The root fixes the plant to the ground. Okay. Then green plants make their own what? Green plants make their own food. F-O-O-D. Food. So this is the answer of the fill in the blanks. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Now students, it is match the following. Match the following. Match column A with column B. Okay. You have to match column A with column B. The first is trunk. In column A there is trunk, hibiscus, strawberry, coriander and fruit. And in column B there is herb, has seeds, shrub, creeper, banyan. Okay. So what is the answer of trunk? Trunk, it is E, banyan. You will match trunk with banyan, B-A-N-Y-A-N. Number 1 with number E. Okay, trunk with banyan. Then hibiscus, H-I-B-I-C-U-S. Hibiscus with shrub, S-H-R-U-B. Hibiscus is a shrub, S-H-R-U-B. 2 with C. Okay. Then strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry with creeper, C-R-E-E-P-E-R. Creeper. 3 with D. Okay. Then coriander, C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander with A. Herb, H-E-R-B. Coriander is a herb. So 4A. Okay. Then fruit, F-R-U-I-T. Fruit with B, 5B. That is has seeds, S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Okay. So this is the answer. The answer is written below also. You can see answers. The answer of number 1 is E. The answer of question number 2 is C. The answer of number 3 is D. The answer of number 4 is A. And the answer of number 5 is B. Okay. So these are the answers of this match the following. Please write down in your copy. Okay. Then our next question is very short answer questions. Very short answers questions. Okay. Question number 1, that is write 2 examples for each of the following. You have to write 2 examples for each of the following. Tree. What will you write? Name of any 2 tree. You can write mango tree or neem tree, or you can write banyan tree. Okay. Anything you can write. Tree you can write banyan tree, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan tree. and then you can write neem tree, that is N-E-E-M, neem, T-R-E-E, tree, neem tree. Okay. Then number 2 is shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Name any two shrub, that is rose and tulsi, R-O-S-E, rose, T-U-L-S-I, tulsi. Okay, these are the two examples of shrub plant. Then herbs, H-E-R-B-S. What are herbs? Those are water plant and mint, or you can write coriander or mint, anything you want to. The answers are written below. You can see that and you can write, or you can write of your own also. Okay, that is herbs are water plant, that is W-A-T-E-R, water, P-L-A-N-T-S, water plants, and mint, M-I-N-T, mint. Okay, then climbers. Name of two climbers, C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers, that is grapevine, G-R-A-P-E, grape, V-I-N-E, grapevine, and money plant, M-O-N-E-Y, money, P-L-A-N-T, money plant. Okay. Then comes number 5, that is creepers, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. And two creepers are watermelon and pumpkin plant, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, watermelon, and pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Okay, so these are the answers of this question. You can also see the answers written below. Understood? Then students, our next question is write one word for the following. Write one word for the following. Then number 1, the green part of the plant that makes food. What is the green part of the plant called that makes food? What it is? It is leaf, L-E-A-F. The answer of number 1 is leaf. The green part of the plant that makes food is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Okay. Then the part of the plant that has seeds. The part of the plant that has seeds. The answer is fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Okay. Then number 3, the part of the plant that produces fruit. Which part of the plant produces fruit? It is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The flower of the plant produces fruit. The answer is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Okay. Then the part of the plant that carries food to all parts. Which part of the plant carries food to all the parts of the plant? That is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. The part of the plant that carries food to all parts is stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Okay. Then the part of the plant that fixes it to the ground. Which part of the plant fixes the plant to the ground? It is roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay. The part of the plant that fixes it to the ground is roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay. Then students, now comes short answer questions. Now we will do question and answers. Okay. Our first question is, what are the strong and woody stems of trees called? I repeat my question. What are the strong and woody stems of trees called? What is the answer? The strong and woody stems of a tree is called trunk. I repeat, the strong and woody stems of a tree is called trunk. Okay? Question number 2. How are shrubs different from herbs? I repeat, how are shrubs different from herbs? Shrubs, answer is, shrubs have woody stems, whereas herbs have soft stems. I repeat my answer. Shrubs have woody stems, whereas herbs have soft stems. Understood? I repeat my question and answer once more. What are the strong and woody stem of trees called? Answer is, the strong and woody stems of a tree is called trunk. How are shrubs different from herbs? Shrubs have woody stems, whereas herbs have soft stems. Okay, so these are the answers of these two questions. Okay. Now comes our next question, that is long answer questions. Okay. Question number 1. Describe trees, shrubs and herbs and give 2 examples of each. Okay. Describe trees, shrubs and herbs and give 2 examples of each. Okay. So, trees. What are trees? Big and tall plants with strong and woody stems are called trees. What are trees? Big and tall plants with strong and woody stems are called trees. For example, neem tree, mango tree. Okay. Neem tree, mango tree. Okay. Then comes shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. What are shrubs? Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. What are shrubs? Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Okay. For example, rose plant, R-O-S-E-P-L-A-N-T. Rose plant and hibiscus plant, H-I-B-I-C-U-S. Hibiscus plant. Okay. This is the answer. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus plant. Okay. Then what are herbs? H-E-R-B-S. What are herbs? Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. For example, mint, mint plant and coriander plant, C-O-R-A-I-N-D-E-R, coriander plant. Okay. I repeat my question and answer once again. Describe trees, shrubs and herbs and give 2 examples of each. Answer is, what are trees? Big and tall plants with strong and woody stems are called trees. For example, neem tree and mango tree. Shrubs. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. For example, rose plant and hibiscus plant. Okay. What are herbs? Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. For example, mint plant and coriander plant. Okay. Our next question is, name the different parts of a plant. Write the use of any one part. I repeat my question. Name the different parts of a plant. Write the use of any one part. Answer is, the different parts of the plant are flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Okay, then write the use of any one part, that is leaf. What is the use of leaf in a plant? Leaf, it is the flat green part of the plant that prepares food for the plant. Leaf, it is the flat green part of the plant that prepares food for the plant. Okay, I repeat the question once again. Name the different parts of a plant. Write the use of any one part. The answer is, the different parts of a plant are flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Then leaf. It is the flat green part of the plant that prepares food for the plant. Okay? And now our last question, that is, what do green plants need to make their own food? Where do plants store extra food? I repeat my question. What do green plants need to make their own food? Where do plants store extra food? What does green plant need to make food? The answer is, green plants need sunlight, water and air to make their own food. Okay? Green plants need sunlight, water and air to make their own food. The extra food is stored in the different parts of the plant like roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. I repeat my question. What do green plants need to make their own food? Where do plants store extra food? Answer is, green plants need sunlight, water and air to make their own food. Okay? The extra food is stored in the different parts of the plant like roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. So these are the questions. You please write down, you note it down in your copy. Okay, in the next class I will give you the exercises of the next chapter.